can click on action and we can be able to edit properties, we can manage duplicates, we can fix formatting issue, that one is locked, and we can restore records. So if you delete your records in HubSpot, they are going to keep that record for you for 90 days. So because they're saying here that you can be able to restore deleted records for the in the last 90 days. So let's try and delete some records and let's see how we can be able to restore those records. So when I go back to my contact, let's say I want to delete all of these people, and I click on delete here. And when I click on delete, it's going to ask me if I really want to delete these people. You need to type in the number and you click on delete. And when you click on delete, that is going to delete your records. And when you come over here, so let's go back to all contacts and we click on actions and we click on restore records, it is going to show us all of the records we just deleted. As you can see, these are the records we deleted in HubSpot. And when we try to click on this, we can try to bring all of this record back into HubSpot. So all you need to do is just to click on this, click on everyone, or select all 5 records and you click on restore all. And when you click on restore all, it is going to restore all of those contacts we have deleted in HubSpot. So I'm going to click on 5 and I'm going to click on restore. And as you can see, it's processing that and it should be able to return our contacts back into the contact menu. I love this about HubSpot because there are sometimes that you make mistakes where you mistakenly deleted some contacts you were not supposed to delete. You don't need to panic. You don't need to fidget. Just come to your restore contacts and restore them back. But you have to make sure that you restore them in 90 days. So that means after 90 days, HubSpot is going to automatically delete them, like permanently delete them. And you will not be able to restore again after 90 days of deletion. So that is for the restore record. So when we go back to contact, and as you can see now, our new and open is back and is currently in here. So as you can see, all of this contact has been restored. So that is for contact. So if you enjoyed this lesson up until the end, I want to say a very big thank you for watching this. And also do not forget that if you're having issues with your HubSpot, you can book a free discovery call in the description below. And we're going to help you take a look at your current setup in your HubSpot account. And we're going to help you also to be able to maximize HubSpot to the fullest potential. So book your free discovery call in the link in the description below. And do not also forget to download your free guide, which is going to help you set up HubSpot optimally. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because we are going to be posting amazing content like this and we do not want you to miss out. Also like this video and also share to everyone who you think is going to find this video useful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.